So in this Google Docs mobile app tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to underline text on a Google Doc. So if you just were to go ahead and type in underline right here, the simplest way is to highlight what you want to underline. This bottom bar in the middle, go ahead and select the U with the underline, and that's the simplest way to add an underline. Now if you want to do it another way as well, you can go ahead, type in the text right here, make sure that it's unchecked. I'll just go under in line like this. Let's say you only wanted to do one part of it. This bar in the middle, select the A with the underline on the far side. Then under text right here, there's bold, italicized, underline. Select the U with the underline right there, and you can also do it that way as well. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to underline text on the Google Docs mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.